What's up, YouTube? I'm taking possibly the customer installed this, but sometimes I don't even know because there's installers out here that just have no clue. I do believe these catback exhaust systems come with instructions, but I don't even know what to say about this. This is a hot mess. If you apply heat to it, it becomes even a hotter mess. I just don't. I mean, it works. So let me tell you what this is supposed to look like. This is not supposed to be on a downward bend. This is supposed to be this way and out that way. But if they did that, it contacts this section here. You can see that they're not on all the way in here, or there's a fitment problem. This should be clocked up higher so it's less visible. This is actually in the correct position, but then you see they had problems back here and the clamps are all over the place. And then we're gonna move up here to the muffler's on an angle. It should be over this way. This pipe over here should be clocked this way. Probably the hanger was welded in the wrong position, and that's what threw these guys for a loop. Just because you buy a Flowmaster kit doesn't mean that it's an A kit. It's a Blem kit, and that's why you get them cheap sometimes. I'll tell you that right now. So even if this pipe was clocked this way, this hanger would be over here. So whatever this manufacturing process is for this pipe here is what screwed up the beginning of the system, right? This piece is made wrong. If you turn it so that you can get the muffler in this position, it puts this hanger over here. So this is just a defect. And then that puts the muffler in the wrong place, and then tailpipes and everything else is just, this is just a hot mess. One hot mess. They had money for a new drive shaft. One hot mess.